Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Gold Cuffs and Lands of Jail. Gold Cuffs and Land of Jail serves as one of the game's premium currencies, mainly used for purchasing special packs. To get Gold Cuffs, head to the top-up center located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down until you find the available Gold Cuffs packs, where you can view different bundle options along with their prices. If you want to learn more about how they work, tap the information button to view their official description. Gold cuffs are primarily used for purchases in the Isle of the Banished and can be spent during pack checkout. The system will automatically prioritize using gold cuffs if you have enough balance available. However, there are a few limitations. Buying gold cuffs packs will not unlock first-time top-up bonuses, Pioneer Rise event loyalty cards, or top-up point accumulation. Despite that, using gold cuffs to purchase packs can still contribute to certain event progress, including strongest alliance purchase related tasks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.